Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you the drip campaign, how to use the drip campaign feature on the SMS bot. So let's get started. Simply open the SMS bot onto your BotPenguin account, and once you open it, you will click on SMS automation and click on the second option, the option drip campaign. In the drip campaign, you will get this option. Like, let's say I will put the name of the drip campaign, continue, and next option that I will get drip campaign name that I have already configured. Next option I will get to whom I want to send the drip campaign. To new subscriber, all the new subscriber that I will have on my platform will to them the drip campaign will be scheduled. And second option is the segments is basically the groups that I have on my platform. So let's say I have this group, and if I want to, first of all I will set the time, the very first time when this drip campaign will be sent. Second thing is schedule your flows now, when these things or when should be the next message that should be sent to the customer. So you can set a flow from here, and after how many minutes, after how many hours, after how many days, the second schedule should be there, that you can configure from here. And in case if you want to add more schedules like this, you can simply add the same thing. You can do the flow, and again you can send after 1 minute, hour or day. That is up to you. You can configure it, and you can simply click on create broadcast, and please make sure that the start time should be greater than the present time. So we need to change the time to, let's say, 35. Alright, and we will create the broadcast. Once I will click on the create drip campaign, so it will take few seconds, and after that the drip campaign should be updated. Alright, as you can see, the drip campaign added successfully. So this is how the drip campaign will work on the SMS bot. That's all about this video. If you have any queries regarding the same, you can reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Bye.